Hi, it's just still a cube, and I'm here just for a very quick little video or something. It's just a little project that I'm doing at present. This was a very cheap frame, floating frame, and I got this from Kmart, so you can either hang it that way or upwards. So which way do I want it? Okie doke, so we'll go this way. I'll put it your way. This was a piece of art that I did ages, many moons ago, and it was on the heavy cardboard. I think it was 850 GCM cardboard, and I glued it to the back. I've glued it to the back of the cardboard on the frame. I think these floating frames at Kmart cost $10, so you certainly couldn't buy a frame from a framing shop for $10. So I thought, put me piece of card art in there. I also got this from Kmart, which was maybe $5. It has got hanging things on the back. The floating frame came with this, so I'm just going to see if my idea works. Oh no, I want to put the... Do I want to put that over? No, I want to put that in there. So put my piece in. Those particular pieces of card fits perfectly in the frame. And then I was going to somehow glue my piece down. So I could paint this, but I think it just looks so nice of the natural over the sort of autumn look. And then the next piece to the puzzle was you put your glass. So the glass came with the frame. So you pop your glass back in. So you've got it all glassed. Or am I supposed to put the glass on there? I think I'm supposed to put the glass. Oh no, that's it. And then this comes as part of it because it's supposed to look like it's floating. So I'll push that in, wedge it in, and what I could do to make sure it all stays in place, I could glue all of these bits together. But there you've got a bit of dust. I've got for $15 a really lovely framed piece of art. So you could, where's my hanger? I could put it that way. It looks very autumny. So you've got this lovely piece of art. How cool is that? So I'm going to try and come up with smart ideas. Julie's smarts. I don't know if some of them might be not as smart, but all I shall do is glue all these bits in together, and you've got a lovely gift there. Or you could definitely sell something in a frame that's done like this, maybe $150. So, because it looks as though so much work has gone into it. Simple pimple. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just another quick one for you guys to just show you some options. So thank you so much for joining me for this very quick video. Yeah, I'm going to really try and find some smart ideas, whether I do them once a week or once a month, and go with it. But that I reckon, for a cheap, easy piece of art that looks very special, I don't think you can beat that. If you can, let me know. Okie doke. Thank you guys for joining me, and see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.